Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be replacing the battery of this Hyundai Tucson 2017 key fob. So this would be same process for I think the key from like 2010 to 2020 would have the same type of battery. So easy procedure. First thing, just press this nut over here, pull your key out. On the inside over there you can just use this key to open up this fob or split it into two. So just put it inside over there and then just turn it. It's gonna open the key. Then use the same key to just kind of open it. There you go. So there is the battery in there. So this is the CR2032 that we have over here. Just slide it to one side. Get the new one. Once you have it out, take a key and just slide it inside. There you have it. Put this back, straighten it up, and then just press it. All the way around. Get your key and you're good. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Ciao.